Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at how to label hoists using data tags. Data tags are customizable labels that enable you to control what and how important info from the tagged object is displayed. Data tag configurations are stored as editable styles. Tags offer a number of big advantages over old-style labels. You can control how tags look, what data and how that data is displayed, and you can use multiple tags on each object depending on your needs. Another big advantage is that tags insert as 3D objects and design layers, which means they can be rotated and moved as needed. But you can also use tags in viewport annotations, where they will always be correctly orientated and scaled. Tags have a live bidirectional link to the tagged object. They'll update automatically whenever the object is edited, and if you edit the tag data, it will push the changes into the parent object to update it for you. Because data tags are designed to label anything, they work a little differently from regular plugin object labels. They're not controlled in the object properties like a label is. You have to use the data tag tool. It's part of the annotation toolset and looks a bit like a set of clothing tags. Another way to find the tool is to hit F and quick search for it. The tool has a number of modes and options, so you can tag a single object, all eligible objects, all selected objects, and so on. There's a resource picker to choose the tag to insert. Since we're working with hoists, look in the entertainment folder for the hoist file. There's a variety of different tags to choose from. For today, let's use a simple ID tag. Keeping it simple, just use the basic label mode of the tool. Once inserted, the tag can be moved around as needed. Although Vectorworks ships with a variety of hoist tags, you'll likely want to customize them or create new ones to meet your needs. The easiest way to create a new tag is to use the create data tag style command with a hoist selected. Select the parameters you want the tag to display in the properties list. Give each a label if you want, and use the options at the bottom to roughly set their layout. As you can see, this is great for quickly creating a tag, but the layout is pretty basic. Just a vertical list of the parameters. To fix this, the layout needs to be edited. So select the tag and hit the Edit Tag Layout button in the properties. This will edit not just the tag instance here, but the tag style in your resource manager as well. In the layout, you can change the text and add or remove geometry as you want. New fields and parameters can be added by changing the dynamic text definitions in any text boxes. Choose from object parameters, functions, and record fields. You can even use simple formula to manipulate the data displayed. It's important to remember that the data source defines what the tag will work with. So if you choose to display data that's hoist specific, then the tag will only work with a hoist. Editing the layout like this can also be used to customize any of the default tags that ship in our library. A key difference from labels is that you can tag hoists in viewport annotations, and because they're in the annotations, they'll always be correctly scaled and orientated to the screen. Since the tags are in the annotations, you can have different tags for each viewport, and it helps keep your design layers clutter-free and clean. You can tag every hoist in the viewport with a single mouse click using all eligible objects mode. Due to the live link to the tagged objects, you can use them to edit the hoist data without needing to go back into a design layer. Data tags are a great addition to your design and documentation workflow. Today, we've only looked at the beginnings. If you want to learn more about data tags or any other Vectorworks feature, ask the AI assistant or visit the Vectorworks University, our online e-learning portal.